A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is your English language class, and we are going to start a new topic today, which is adverbs. Children, as the name suggests, ad plus verbs. That means adverbs are the words which gives more meaning to verbs, right? They add more meaning to verbs, and verbs are action words. Very nice. So, let us see more about adverbs. First of all, children, I hope you all remember that adverb is a part of speech. Remember we did it? There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. You have noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, and then we have preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay. So today we are going to do one part of speech, which is adverb. You can see here some examples are given: quickly, never and very. Let us see the definition first. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It gives more meaning to verbs, like she speaks slowly. Children, speaks is the verb. Now how she is speaking? This word slowly is telling us more about the way she is speaking, right? So it is giving more meaning to the verb speaks. So slowly is an adverb. He is so smart. So is the word giving more meaning to is. Is the helping verb, right? Is the verb. So it is giving more meaning to the smartness he has. They come very often. So very is the adverb here. Alright? Good. So now children, we are going to see some more adverbs like happily, carefully, very, sadly, loudly, joyfully, angrily, quietly, carelessly, energetically, nervously. All these are adverbs here. Okay children? Okay. Now children, these adverbs are also divided in 4 kinds. Okay, there are more, but we are studying 4 kinds of adverbs: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time and adverbs of frequency. Okay, so children, adverbs of manner give us the answer to the question how, adverbs of place give us the answer to the question where, adverbs of time give us the answer to the question when, and adverbs of frequency give us the answer to the question how often. That means, how many times, how often. Okay, let's begin with adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner answer the question how. It tells us how something happens. It is usually placed after the main verb or after the object. Object is like we have seen subject and object. Children, subject is the person who does the action, and object in the sentence is the person or maybe the thing for whom the action is being done. Okay, so these adverbs of manner, they will answer the question how. Like when you see adverb in a sentence, you read the sentence, find out the adverb and then ask yourself the question of how, when, where or how often. So whichever question it is answering, and that way you can understand that it is adverbs of manner or it is adverbs of place or time or frequency. Okay, so here some of the adverbs of manner are given: accidentally, angrily, anxiously. It is a big list children, you all can go through it. All these are adverbs of manner as they answer the question how. Okay, then we have adverbs of place. Adverbs of place answer the question where. It describes where something happens. Okay, most important adverbs of place list. These are some of the adverbs of place. Okay, not all, just some are here, which tells about the place. Remember, where. Okay, about, anywhere, backward, down, elsewhere, in, near, on, over. Children, you can go through all these adverbs. They all answer the question where. Okay, Then we have adverbs of time. Adverbs of time answer the question when, children. Okay, it gives us the answer to the question when. It tells us when an action happened, besides how long, how often. Most important adverbs of time list: always, already, annually, before. All these are adverbs of time. They give us the answer to the question when. Okay, when something happened. All right, and please remember it is related to verbs, adjectives, or adverbs. It gives more meaning to these words. And the last type of adverb we are doing is adverbs of frequency, children. This tells the word which expresses frequency, or it tells how often something occurs, is called adverb of frequency. Adverbs of frequency are always placed before noun. Adverbs of frequency are twice, often, once, seldom, again. All these adverbs give us the answer to the question how often. Like you can see the examples here. An adverb of definite frequency, an adverb of indefinite frequency. Okay, so here we are not worrying about definite and indefinite frequency right now. To see the examples, we get paid hourly. How often do we get paid? Hourly. Okay, that means in every hour. I usually get up late on weekends. How often you get up late on weekends? Usually. So these words, hourly, usually, these are giving us the answer to the question how often. Okay, so children, let us very quickly revise all the 4 kinds we have seen. We have seen adverbs of manner. It gives us the answer to the question how. We have seen adverbs of place. It gives us the answer to the question when. It gives us the answer to the question where. Adverbs of time give us the answer to the question when, and adverbs of frequency give us the answer to the question how often. All right? Yes. So all these kinds of adverbs we will be seeing in the class also. Okay, let us very quickly see this through a chart. How, which means adverb of manner. How often is adverb of frequency. When is adverb of time, and where is adverb of place. So here some of the adverbs are mentioned, children. Okay, like some of the adverbs of manner are easily, happily, loudly, quickly, quietly, sadly, silently, slowly. These are some of the adverbs of manner, children. All right, then if you say adverbs of frequency, some of the adverbs of frequency are given here: always, every day, frequently, never, often, once, seldom, sometimes. Then adverb of time: when, after, before, early, now, since, soon, today, yesterday. Then comes adverbs of place: where, away, anywhere, everywhere, here, home, inside, near, outside, there. Alright, children, so all these are adverbs. The boy plays the drums loudly. How he is playing the drums? Loudly. This loudly is an adverb, and it is adverb of manner. Okay, children, so we will be reading the examples given in your books. We'll do the book exercises. All right, and that will make the concept all the more clear, children. Till then, have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.